Biologictx was founded in 2011 as the first solely focused infusion and pharmacy management provider of biologic and oral transplant therapies. We provide services to assist transplant healthcare professionals and patients throughout the entire transplant journey, beginning at pre-transplant kidney pair donation and desensitization, through post-transplant medication dispensing and adherence monitoring, and on throughout the life of the patient. In 2013, we integrated our Discovery to Life, or D2L, digital health platform into our range of services. D2L is Biologic Sequence, a database combining drug therapies administered with transplant center data that provides a comprehensive view of the patient's response to therapy. And Biologictx Match Grid, a kidney paired donation software which is able to match infinite paired donation combinations within minutes. At Biologictx, our primary objectives are to reduce antibodies, get the patient to transplant faster, minimize organ rejection and viral conditions such as BK and CMV, and aggressively manage the patient's oral or biologic immunosuppressive regimen. This results in significantly better outcomes and an overall reduction of healthcare expenditures. One way we accomplish this is through our transplant clinical nurse liaisons. These specialists work hand in hand with the transplant center to assist in protocol development, patient contact and consent organization, patient data outcomes reporting, and lab sample coordination. All activities are recorded and discussed at regularly scheduled meetings with each center's transplant team. Recently, Biologictx has received widespread media attention due to the many services we provide, from our digital health advances in kidney pair donation to our involvement in innovative clinical trials. We offer services that no other specialty pharmacy can provide.
A rare medical procedure where 12 patients participating in a paired kidney exchange, possible thanks to a software program called Match Grid that put these people together.
This is a beautiful story. 12 patients made medical history in California earlier this year with a 6-way kidney swap.
3 very sick people who all needed kidney transplants were able to get that life-saving surgery right here in South Florida.
6 transplants took place at the California Pacific Medical Center, and that's actually the largest kidney donation chain in its history, and it's been around for more than 40 years. The matches were made using a software matching program created by David Jacobs, who himself is also a kidney recipient and who's also our guest next. David, it's great to have you on the program.
While I was on dialysis trying to survive, I read about this concept and thought, well, gosh, this is kind of a math problem, which computers are really good at. So I reached out to the hospital, Dr. Katz Nelson there, was able to collaborate with him and build this application. Biologic Match Grid and pair donation program now we're making available to every transplant center in the country and maybe the world in the long run. We built it in such a way so that it's very flexible and easy for these hospitals to do it. We wanted to make it easy for them to do.
From the outside looking in, this is incredible for future generations as well, and we thank you for that contribution from all of our families.
In addition, we've published our own desensitization data, a feat that few specialty pharmacies, if any, can accomplish. This data is drawn from our 4-year outcomes in desensitization with deceased donor transplants. Since April 2011, we have desensitized 365 patients. Of the 269 patients that completed treatment, 85 went on to receive a transplant, a rate of 31.5%. The graft survival rate for these patients remains well above the industry average at 96.5%. Biologictx is also engaged in innovative clinical research, addressing the challenges faced by transplantation, including regional paired donation, DSA and desensitization, and product safety in the home infusion setting. At Biologictx, our founding mission and long-term commitment is to lead, manage, and care for transplant patients. We provide the highest level of support, education, and integrity possible, and work in concert with the Transplant Center every step of the way, providing a consistent stream of essential information about the patient's response to therapy, and in doing so, provide the transplant patient with hope and a better quality of life. Go to biologictx.com to learn more about the services we provide.